Hey guys, so today I'm pretty sure Tyson made this workout up, at least partially. We might have subbed in a couple different movements, but it's going to be a descending rep scheme of 4 movements. So you have 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, descending by 2, all the way down to 2. The first movement is going to be a med ball clean. If you don't have a med ball, that's okay. You can still use dumbbells, do a dumbbell squat clean, or if you have even like a volleyball or something, you're going through that same movement pattern. It might not have weight to it, but that's okay. So you have a couple options of that. But for the med ball clean, the ball will be in between your feet are slightly wider than hip distance. My arms are straight and fully extended. I'm going to squat down to pick up the ball. So my hands are on the outside. I'm standing up to full hip extension as I shrug the ball up, and then I'm dropping underneath into a full squat, okay? Full hip extension, squat. The full hip extension is really important, so if you go like no hip extension, you're just doing this, you're gonna get a lot of irritation in the low back. So you just wanna make sure that you're standing all the way up or leaving that low back and then catching in that front rack position, okay? So that's the med ball clean. Like I said before, you can also use dumbbells. So if you're using dumbbells for the med ball clean, you're gonna come outside of your legs, full extension, squat, stand up out there. Same movement, just different weight, okay? So med ball clean, then we're going into a regular push-up. So you can modify this by elevating yourself onto a box. So I'll come over here. We like this modification better than dropping the knees because you're still getting that full hip extension, that core activation, but it's a little bit easier to maintain. Otherwise, you're going to be doing a regular push-up for 20 reps, okay? Then we're going into sit-ups. So, regular sit-up, hands tap behind your head, you're coming all the way up to seated for 20 reps. Then we're going into a double arm snatch. So, you're going to grab 2 dumbbells, outside your legs, back is straight, you're going to come down, and then you're keeping them really close to your body. So the trick is that you don't bring the weights out in front of you, but we also don't want to clean and press it, okay? So it's one full fluid movement, all the way to full extension. Biceps are by the ears, fully extended straight overhead for 20 reps. Those are the 4 movements. Then each round we're going down by 2 reps.